Hello, we're gonna do the unboxing of the Kuryakyn Road Runner. And this is a speaker, or radio, I guess. A radio unit, speaker unit for your Harley Davidson. Let's see, and this is unboxing. So let's see, Road Runner sound bar plus MTX. That's the part number right there. All right, we're gonna unbox this real quick. All right, so this is what we got. When you first open it, got the papers, the instructions. Now I paid, I'm gonna show you exactly how much I paid for this, because I have it right here. I paid this sound bar cost $441 with tax. I got it from a cycle shop here in North Lawrence, Kansas. Alright. So about $400, you get some music on your Harley Davidson. Now, I got a 2014 Harley Davidson Sportster super low. It's super cool. So this is gonna look nice on it. All right, comes with zip ties. All right, so it comes with this little thing, a little clipper. This is the actual unit right here. That's what it looks like. So this would be mounted on the bike, and then that's it. It just comes with like some screws. So I'm going to hook this up later on the bike and get it all dialed in, and I'll do another video. But this is the unboxing video, so this is what comes with it, basically. This is it. All stuff back in for later. And that's it. And that's how it looks. That's how it's supposed to look. Thanks for watching. Bye.